Hello traders, welcome again to my channel. Forex with Temilo. It's nice to have you guys on this channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about gaps in the market. Okay, gaps are being created sometimes in the market during the market open, or sometimes during crazy fundamental news releases. We tend to have gaps sometimes, and these gaps are just spaces that are being left behind on the chart. At this region, you will not find any candle, both the bullish candle or bearish candle. You won't find any candle at such area. So that's what we call gaps. Okay, so now, and most times we tend to have gaps more on indices than you will find on currency pairs. And whenever we have gaps, I'm always very excited because I know there is an opportunity to get a profitable trade. And so with this knowledge, on Monday, I found this gap on NASDAQ, and I was there looking to take buys because I know for sure price is going to fill up this area. Okay, so there's one more thing. There's something I would like to also mention. If you have, for example, now we have this gap at this level, and say maybe you are short on NASDAQ, you want to go short, like maybe there's like a supply zone around here and you are looking to take sell trades, I will advise, please do not take sell trades when you have gaps seated right above your entry. Do not take such trade. And same goes for a buy trade. If you have gap at a level like this and you want to take buy trades, maybe around this region, please do not take your buy trade. Okay, always make sure the gaps are filled up first. Okay, you want to make sure the whole gap is filled up first before you start looking to take buys in the market. Okay, so let's have that in mind. All right, so now let's go back to this. So once I cited this gap, I know it will be filled to this level at least. And so all I need to do is find entries around this area, around all these zones. All I needed to do was find entry and go long. Okay, so and just because I saw this gap does not mean I want to just get into a buy trade at any random point. Don't just want to get into buy trades, okay, at random prices. You still need to put into consideration your risk, okay, risk management and all of that. So, and just on this 5 minutes time frame for better view, you can see that when market was pushing down from this level, we had this low, we created a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. Then suddenly we pushed above all this level, taking out this level, taking out this lower low, and also taking this out and also this lower high. Okay, so once I saw that we've taken out several lower highs, that was giving me the confirmation to go long. Okay, I was able to get the confirmation to go long. All I needed to do was now find my entry. We had this break of structure finally, and just looking at price right here, we can see that we created markets created this candle right here, and this candle had imbalance. That is, the movement from this area to this area was not efficient. Okay, price was not efficient while moving up. We had imbalance at this level right here. Okay, so now seeing this, and also we add some sort of liquidity line right here. Okay, so for sure market is going to come back, clear out the liquidity. That is, at this level we had people that were buying at this level, buying, and we're yet to take profit. So most likely they have their stop loss at these regions. So I saw this as liquidity and this gap as well. So let's move back to the 15 minutes time frame now. And on the 15 minutes time frame, all I did was just take this demand zone that was yet to be mitigated, and it was also and also add imbalance, okay, to be filled up. So just right there, a buy limit, a buy entry, and so just wait for the market. And for the take profit was definitely at this gap fill, okay. We know price is going to fill this gap up. So, and we add that beautiful tab. Let's go. Yeah, we add the tab in, and markets went up to fill. Yeah, and this was just within few hours on Monday, and the gap was filled, and we even went past this gap right here. And just to show you yet another example on the 1 hour time frame quickly, you can see that we also had, there was gap in the market as well at this zone. You can see, let me zoom in. Market created this gap, okay. There was this gap right here, and as you can see, after price came down, we pushed back up, and this gap was filled. So if you were on the chart on this particular day, should have looked for an entry around this zone and take a buy trade to fill up this gap, okay. So this is just what gap is in the market, and the knowledge of gaps can help you to take profitable trades in the foreign exchange market. So when next you find gaps in the market, just look for entries and get into the trade and trade towards the gap, okay. I hope this video was beneficial and of value to you. If it was, and you are yet to subscribe, please kindly click the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.